Hello viewers, welcome back. Didn't film anything for the last hour because it has just been pouring now. Really opened up, soaked to the bone, wet. But you know, the good news is it was extremely sketchy riding. Yeah, it was that was wild. It was basically nothing but tunnels and no shoulder. That was really difficult riding. I mean, part of me wished I would have filmed it, but the reality was it wouldn't even look like much because it was raining so much that the camera would have been completely smudged. I mean, it's still raining now, but I'll at least let you see where I'm at. Yeah, I can say pretty confidently, wouldn't recommend riding this route on a Brompton in the rain. The Brompton did fine. It's really, the problem is really not the Brompton. It's really just, yeah. That's the kind of thing, if you're going to ride this road, I would say you want to be on a beautiful day on a really nice road bike. It probably would have been awesome. But I had neither of those things. So, that being said, the spirits are still high. I got about 34 miles to go still. But that's okay. Everything's good. The rain has lightened up a tad. Yeah, the only other bad news is that the phone, my USB-C port on my phone, is full of water. My battery is low, and the phone won't charge unless it's dry. You can override it, but that's kind of risky. So, kind of flying blind a little bit. I'm on this Route 8, and I think I stay on it for a little while still. We got 13% battery, it's pouring, but you know what, I want you guys to be here for this descent. Route 8 has been a hell of a journey. And I hope I'm coming to the end of it. End of Route 8, that is, because damn. Again, this would have been amazing and a good day on a road bike, but in these conditions on this bike, it's been, I mean, the bike only slipped once in a tunnel. It wasn't really that big of a deal, I caught it. So it's been nothing scary, but you know, this is pushing the limits of this bike for sure. I'm sure you're gonna get some spots on the lens, but like I said, I want you guys to see this. I am officially soaked. I'm not really that cold though. It's a little chilly, but it's fine. But spirits are high. Whenever I'm in moments like this, going on mile 60, 50, wherever I'm at, and it's raining and hilly, I remind myself that I put myself here. I made the decision to come here. I made the decision to wake up at 4 a.m. and ride this road today. And we're out here to do the damn thing. So you can't really be miserable if you're in control of your own destiny. Sometimes that's how I feel. At least that's what I say right now. Oh boy. Woo! Woo! Got another one coming. Oh yeah. Did a quick clean off of the drivetrain, quote unquote clean off. I just used my rag and kind of wiped down the chain and the gears, the cassette, and re-lubed it. Feels a little better. The gears were getting a little sticky just because of the insane amount of gunk and dirt and shit that's on the bike right now, which is to be totally expected. Like I said, I'm definitely pushing this Brompton to its limit. Oh, back went out right there. Kind of trying to just put some miles down. That's the plan at least, but Yeah, it's something else. Oh, park golf. Oh, that's a nice course too. Look at that. What? Looks like a real golf course. It's like beautiful greens and such. Oh, that is sick. I have plugged the camera in to a battery pack. The rain is kind of stopping. We're gonna see how annoying it is being strapped into this thing. It's not really that bad at the moment. Not that there's anything super exciting to look at, but at least it gives me someone to talk to. Just saw the train for the first time, so I stand corrected. There is a train. It was awesome. It's just one little car. It's really tempting to just jump on that thing, but I think I'm gonna just keep pushing for a bit. If it's like this is pretty easy riding, but I'm sure it won't stay like this. But and of course, as soon as I say that, it looks like we have a massive hill into a tunnel, so it would appear that it's not staying like this. Oh boy. I mean, massive by my standards. Now hold your horses here. What do we got here? Detour. We will take the detour then. It says don't go through the tunnel, so I'm gonna do what it says. It's probably gonna add considerable distance, but I ain't going through that tunnel. It says don't go through the tunnel. Probably says that for a reason. It is much nicer over here though. I definitely prefer this type of road, but I worry that it will not last. I worry that it will get very hilly, potentially. Let's look at the coastal road here. Ooh, that's definitely not passable. Look at that creepy old tunnel there. Okay. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's crazy. We are in adventure mode now. Caution for bear signs. Cool. This is a lovely detour. This is a lovely little stretch of road right here. Alas, all good pavement must come to an end. So something I've noticed with this GoPro is that if you have a battery pack plugged into it, like I do now, so there's a battery in the GoPro that's at 6%, and then I have my battery brick plugged into it. It basically just keeps it on. It does not charge the battery. It also doesn't display that it's charging. The only reason I know it's charging is because it's been at 6% for the last like 20 minutes, so I know it's not going down. It basically just maintains the current state of power. If you took the battery out, it'd be fine. It would display, probably. But this was something I learned, a little strange quirk. Usually you see that little lightning bolt thing And you don't normally, I don't see it when I plug it into a battery brick. This past GoPro lessons from a rainy Japan. This road is absolutely fantastic. This is probably the best road I've ridden on all day. Lovely pavement and pretty views. Everything's wet. I am a little worried about the bag covers. Have been holding fine, but I kind of think they have their limits. I'm worried that it's going to be seeping into the bag, into the contents, but we'll see. I feel like I've had a tailwind like all day. I haven't really felt wind at all, which has been pretty miraculous. That would have made this a different day for sure. If I was like fighting the wind the whole way. Stay on this until I hit some kind of bridge. The big thing is I could take the train, but I'm like just so filthy right now, and the bike is so filthy that I'd have to clean it first in order to even get it to where I want to put it in the bag. So it's like, I don't even know if it's worth it. This is pretty not enjoyable at this point. I'm still okay, but I'm struggling a bit just because it's just, the rain is just relentless. It's just been basically consistent like this for the last like 3 hours. Hello viewers, you joined me in a shed somewhere in the countryside. The rain got the best of me. I'll tell you what, I did, hold on, let me check. I did just about 59 miles, goal was 73 today, but with 24 odd left, the rain just picked up, the wind picked up, and I hit the point where I was like, I don't know if I can do this for 3 more hours on this Brompton. So I've stopped. I'm at a train station. I'm going to clean the bike and hopefully get the train to the next destination. I will film a little bit on the train, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Here it comes. Oh, what a sight for sore eyes, I tell you what.